What's good, fam? It's Jordxn. I'm here again with another video, and I'm gonna be using the Autotune EFX Plus differently than anybody else has ever done on this channel before. So I would love to do the AutoMotion, and we're gonna automate it with this song. And yes, I hope you enjoy it. Let me stop playing, bro. I don't know what the hell wrong. We're gonna play with the AutoMotion because not a lot of people doing videos on the AutoMotion. So we're gonna keep it on the trail. We're just gonna play. So like what I want to do is, like, I want to automate this so I can like have it play whenever, you know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this up, and it's gotta be over here because I gotta go on the track. So boom. Alright, so now we got the play pattern. Cool. It's up. It's in slip mode, so we cool. Alright, so let's play the song real quick.
If you don't love me, let me go. Love don't live me anymore.
Like, I kind of want to like see what it do on this part right here. So let's see.
If you don't love me, let me go.
Let's see what it sounds like on the whole thing though. Let's see.
If you don't love me, let me go.
I'm gonna take this bottom part out, so we're gonna play around it and see if we can get a dope sound with this. This shit's like, oh. Let's see.
If you don't love me, let me go. If you don't love me, let me go.
This shit sounded kind of hard when it was right there.
If you don't love me, let me go. Love don't live me anymore. I done did all that I can do. If you don't love me, let me go. Love don't live me anymore. I done did all that I can do. If you don't love me, let me go. Love don't live me anymore. I done did. If you don't love me, let me go. Love don't live me anymore. If you don't love me, let me go. Love don't live me anymore.
Ooh, that's crisp. Ooh, that's hard. I like that. Yeah, so it sounded good here. Like, I can automate the pattern change too.
I've been drinking through the nights, been sleeping through the days, been doing all these drugs to make the pain go away. I've been sleeping through the nights.
Alright, so like let's try something right here. Let's automate the pattern. We just automate everything in this plugin. This plugin gets crazy, yo. Boom. Now we finna fuck with the pattern, yo. So I don't. This shit gonna get real interesting. Let's see. Let's see. Let me bring it up right down.
Sleeping through the nights, been drinking through the day. I've been sleeping through the nights, been.
Let's see. Thank you.
I've been sleeping through the nights, been drinking. I've been sleeping through the nights, been drinking through the. I've been sleeping through the nights, been drinking through.
And I gotta go back and hit the play pattern. Let's see if it do it the right way. Come on, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. Okay, I can do something cool with that. I could fuck with that though. I could. It just depends on like how to get it, cause I gotta switch between both. Alright, so I'll go back down. So like you wanna go back down and you wanna hit the pattern, alright? It just depends on the pattern that you wanna use. So, or if I wanna like jump it down, or some shit like that. Or it's like that would be dope to do on like the lips though. Like that would be hard.
I've been sleeping through the nights, been drinking through the day. I've been sleeping through the nights, been drinking through the day. I've been sleeping through the
that hard. That's one hard.
I've been sleeping through the nights.
That other one was hard, like the half up and whole.
I've been sleeping through the nights. Been drinking through the day. Doing all the drugs to make the pain go away. You know.
That's very interesting with that plugin right there, but it's just something playing around with it. I'm gonna play a little bit more with it. It's more than just Autotune plugin. You can do a lot more. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Have you ever used this thing before, the AutoMotion, like the play pattern? Have you ever used it, played around with it? If you have, let me know.